everybody. This is Golden, and this is Coastal Mr. TV, where we're going to talk about some very common ways to take care of the Coastal Mr. system and things you can do in the field to help you. So today we're going to talk about taking the faceplate assembly out of the control box. So I've got two samples of control boxes here. I've got the digital control box and I've got the analog hybrid control box. The difference really just being the clock. So as you can see, they are both connected to the control box with the same mechanism, two screws, one at the top, as you can see, one at the top and one at the bottom, So we'll just use the digital one for our demonstration today. So the first thing you want to do when you're removing the faceplate or anytime you're working on a control box is to unplug the plug from the wall. So you want to always unplug the wall for safety reasons. Now you're going to loosen the cable glands, and these are the cable glands where the cable goes into the control box. So we're going to loosen these glands. The tools you need are a 15/16 open-end wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. If you use the electric screwdriver, it's a number 2 bit. Okay, so we're going to loosen the cable glands, lefty-loosey. Just give them a couple of turns and then you'll be able to do them with your fingers. So there you go. And you want to loosen these because the wires coming in here are attached to a terminal block on the underside of the faceplate. So you want to have plenty of give so that you don't pull those wires out of that block that can cause lots of different trouble. So you want to push the wire in, get the screws out first. Okay, so we got the screws out, and now we're going to push on the cable gland and gently remove the faceplate. Okay, so now we've got the faceplate out. Let's talk about a couple of things. You can see the wires in here. That's why you want to loosen these cable glands anytime you work on the faceplate. Lots of things can happen and go wrong when you do take this, so you should always use caution and make sure you're not putting any stress on these wires. If they become loose, they can cause shorts. They can cause the board to be damaged and you require a new circuit board. It could cause intermittent operation of the different functions, of the missed functions. So you want to be very careful when you're pulling those out. Now, while you have the faceplate out, you want to check for a couple of things. You want to check to see if there's any evidence of moisture or water that has gotten into the box, or any burn marks that may be on the circuit board, so that you can head off any future problems. Okay? So that's taking the faceplate out. When you're finished, you just do the reverse, put it back in, tighten up the screws, tighten up your cable glands,